Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a huge Amazon haul and these were all sent to me. This video is not sponsored though. Pieces are from Verdusa here on Amazon. I have worked with them before and I have to say I really love it. Their pieces are more like trendy and really cute pieces. If you're into that, I do definitely recommend it. I got a lot. Like I said, I have a huge haul. I think I have like 20 items. It's a lot, so make sure you get a snack, get your favorite drink, and yeah, let's get right into it. I am gonna start off with this shirt. If you guys been watching my hauls, you guys know that this is my third shirt that I got. I have these in multiple colors, so I have the bright pink, I have the beige, and now I got the lavender. You guys know I have a thing for this color. I love it. It says Miami. I'm from Cali, but I do want to visit Miami, and I really love this color. I got it in an extra large because I like it to be super oversized, and I just like that look. I actually wear these only for like lounging around the house. I am into big shirts. Let me know, guys, who is into big shirts like me. Raise your hand or just give me like a hand emoji, like yes, right here. I love oversized shirts. I just think they're very comfortable in the summertime. This is what I'm into. I like cotton oversized shirts. They're very nice and it's very like cool on the body. So yeah, I really love it. I do recommend it if you're looking for some really nice oversized shirts for lounging around the house, for running errands. I washed these multiple times, the other ones that I have, and they don't shrink, which is really good. Moving on to my favorite top. Now, the first time I got this top, I got in the color green, and I love this one so much that I had to get it in this beautiful bright pink. This is in the size large. I recommend you size up on this because it kind of runs small. I think especially if you're heavy on top. If you're not, maybe it's fine. But for me, since I'm heavy on top, I definitely had to size up to a large because I feel like if I didn't, it would be way too like, whoa girl, where you going? This is really nice though. I know it looks super small. I know it looks like, girl, that does not fit you. It's made for a little child. But this is so nice when I put it on. It's a really nice stretchy material, very flattering. I've been really into the one shoulder top and this is just beautiful. Very nice and forgiving, especially if you want to hide that pooch. This style, like how it's ruched, it's just so perfect. I honestly want to get in more colors than the green and the pink that I have it in. So definitely recommend it. One of my favorites. And I do want to wear that pink top with these green shorts. I absolutely love these shorts. They look like this, and I got them in a size medium. I first got them in the large, but they were way too big, so I did ask them to resend it to me in a size medium, and they were kind enough to send it in the medium. So just make sure you go with your regular size, because with these I did go with my regular size medium and they fit perfectly. I love this green. It's like a linen material. It's very nice. Like this, I feel like you look really nice and put together. I've been really loving this green color. It does come with the belt, and I do recommend wearing it with the belt that it comes with. It does have pockets, or does it have pockets? For some reason I thought it had pockets. No, it does not have pockets, but it's a really nice quality. I really love it. I think this is perfect for the summertime. It's a linen, breezy, flowy material, very flattering, and like I said, I'm gonna wear this together. I think this is a beautiful combination for the summertime, like a nice pop of color. If you want to be bright, get that. I just love it. And then I was really excited to get this top right here. I think this is a really beautiful top. I got this in a size large, and it looks like this. The thing I really love about this is that this, you can cinch it in or open it up. It is adjustable, which I appreciate. You can wear it like this or like so. I really love the fact that the sleeves are sheer and then it is more cinched in right here. Very flattering, and I love the color. I think the color looks so beautiful. Again, it does have it does come in multiple colors, so you can choose whatever color you want it in, but I chose this gorgeous beige color. It is so pretty, perfect for the summertime with some shorts or jeans. You could definitely dress this up, dress it down. I just absolutely love this. Oh my gosh, this I love, and I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. So this is a bodycon style dress, but I didn't want it to be bodycon on me because if you guys don't know this about me, I'm not really that much into bodycon. I used to be, but I don't like things that are super tight on me. So I got this in a large instead of a medium, and I'm glad I did. Like, you can see that it's still bodycon, but it's more loose, and that's how I like to wear it. I don't like it to be tight on me, even though it's a comfortable material. Mommy. And it is this beautiful dusty blue color. It is gorgeous. I think this is perfect for the summertime. Now this is more of a maxi, a midi dress, but on me it's more of a maxi dress. Like, it goes pretty long because I'm 5'1", so it depends how tall you are. This is very flattering. I do recommend this. It's really nice and stretchy. It is ribbed, like really small ribbing, so you can't really tell, but it's ribbed. I really love the high neck. I think it just, you know, it's modest, but at the same time super cute. And I definitely want to wear this with like a kimono cardigan, throw it over. I just think that is super cute. So I definitely recommend this one. I really, really love that one. And then I got this two-piece set. I love two-piece set, especially for the summertime. Is perfect. So this two-piece set, I got it in a size medium, and I really love it. I'm definitely gonna wear it for like around the house. It looks like this. So here's the top. It's a button-up style. You can definitely unbutton it, but I'm gonna wear it as a top. I like the fact that it's more like loose. You see that? And I love the olive green. You guys know I have a thing for this. It's really nice, like Henley style top. And then right here, it looks like this. It's like nice and loose, and that's how it looks at the edge. And then at the edge of this also has that look. I forgot what it's called. It comes with the shorts. And I really like the fact that the shorts are more longer in the back than the front. It doesn't have pockets, very nice and stretchy. It has an elastic waistband. And then this is just for looks, so just keep that in mind. You cannot cinch in the waist. And I also got this top. I thought this would be a really fun top. It has like the really nice poofy sleeves, and it's very out there, really pretty. This is in the like a olive green. You guys know, like I said, I love the olive green. The one thing that's cool about this top is you can wear it whichever way you want. So there's like, this is more of a square neck, and then on this side is more of a slight v-neck. But it's such a beautiful color, very nice and stretchy. So I do like the fact that it's nice and stretchy, looks very flattering, and is very comfortable, perfect for the summertime. They do have this in different colors, but I got this because I just thought it was really nice and unique. So, and I like the sheer sleeves, and it has like these polka dots, super cute. And then I also got this shirt, which I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. I really love this color. So it's like a regular shirt. It is square neck, looks like this, really pretty, like terracotta color. I think this is perfect for the summertime, and definitely for the coming fall. The color is just beautiful if you want to go to a pumpkin patch. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has like a nice stretch, and I just like it overall. It's just really nice and comfortable. And then I also got this shirt right here. This is more like a cami style top. I really love cami style tops. I just think they're very flattering because you can dress it up, dress it down. They're very comfortable. It looks like this. And I got this, I believe, in the size medium. And then I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has like a leopard sheen to it, like a leopard print. And they do have these in different colors. I think I said that already. I wish these were adjustable straps, but thankfully it's not like short where it goes down, because I don't like to show my cleavage. And usually when straps like this are not adjustable, they tend to go low, and then it shows too much cleavage, and I just can't do it. But this does not go low, which I do appreciate. It's really nice top, so I could definitely see myself wearing this. It's super cute with some jeans or shorts. Very nice and breezy and flowy, so I definitely recommend this. Here is another one that I got. This is like a really pretty top. So it looks like this. This is how it looks in the front, and then in the back it goes straight down, and in the back it's more longer than the front. So I always like that because I like it to be longer in the back. I don't like to, like, you know, show my booty. It does kind of cover your booty. And this is not adjustable again, but it's not, it doesn't go low where it shows my cleavage. So I do appreciate that. You guys know, like I said, I'm into this green. I absolutely love it. I just think it's very, like, it makes me happy to wear it. It's just so pretty. And it does stay like this. As you can see, it looks like you kind of like cinched in this shirt, but it's actually like this. This is how it is. and very nice and flattering. Again, I'm very happy with that. And then I actually got this two-piece set, but it's kind of like a fail and not. I'll show you guys what I mean. So here are the shorts. The shorts are perfection. I absolutely love them. I got them in a size medium, I think. It looks like this. It's really nice, perfect length, not too short, not too long, and it's very nice, very comfy. It does have pockets, and then this is a adjustable drawstring, which is nice if you want to cinch it in. It's like that. Let me show you guys the material so you guys can see how it looks. It's kind of like ribbed, but very nice and soft, very breathable, perfect for the summertime. The one thing that didn't work out for me is this. I was hoping that it wouldn't be like this small. I mean, I know I seen it on the model how it looked, but yeah, this is not gonna work even for home, because I was planning on wearing this just for like around the house. This is not gonna work, but I honestly don't mind, because I think it's still worth it for the shorts alone. I really love the shorts, but this, yeah, like, no, it just doesn't work for me. I'm a 34 triple D. This does not work for me. Like, what? It's too small. It's still really cute though, guys, but I will not wear this. I'll probably only wear the shorts, but it's really nice, and that's how it comes with. It's a one shoulder. And then, guys, oh my word. Okay, so I got this top. You guys, if you watch my videos, you know I have this in multiple colors right now. I have this one in the color black, I think, the color like olive green, and now, or a nude. No, I got it in the nude. And now I had to get it in this fun yellow color. I've been wanting a bright yellow color for the summertime. It's a sweater style ribbed tank top, and it's cropped, but I got in a size large, and since I'm petite, it's not cropped on me with some high-waisted jeans or high-waisted shorts. It just depends how you style it. I don't like things to look cropped on me. Like, I don't like to show my midriff, but if I wear high-waisted anything, it's not cropped. So I did get in the large. The only thing I will say, and I've said this before in my videos, is that these are not adjustable straps, so I do actually alter these myself. So I have to cut about like 2 inches, and it ends up being perfect, because if not, then it's gonna be like way too, like, I'll have extra material here, and I don't like that. So just keep that in mind. I'm 5'1", so if you're like my size, you might have to alter this. To me, I don't mind, because I can alter it myself. But other than that, I love it. You guys know I love it when I have it in 3 other colors. Yeah, that's insane. But this is so nice, and this is definitely a top that, even though it's like a sweater material, you could definitely wear this for the summertime. It's one of those breezy material that doesn't overheat you, and it looks very nice. It looks luxe. And this yellow fun color, it's just, I feel like it's gonna make everybody happy. I'm like a ray of sunshine. You guys know what I mean. Then moving on to this dress. Okay, so this is a bodycon style dress, and I love it, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it. And if I am gonna wear it, I think most likely I'm gonna have to wear it with like a kimono style cardigan, because to me it's just like way too on my body, and I don't like that type of bodycon dresses. Like, I feel like it just shows too much. I did request if they can send it to me in the size large, so it wouldn't be as like bodycon on me, but it was sold out in the large. I know they probably have it back in stock right now. This is really beautiful. It has like a nice sheen, a very bright pink. This was sold out twice already, so this is definitely a hot seller. Very stretchy, guys, so you know, it might look like small, but like, yeah, she can stretch. And I like the fact that it has a high neck, very flattering, super cute. I just love this. I also got this dress. I think this is a nice dinner dress if you're looking for a really beautiful, like sexy but chic and sophisticated little black dress. I would definitely recommend this one shoulder dress. So it's a one shoulder. It has the long sleeve on one side, and it is like ruched on the sides, so it just makes you look very flattering. It kind of hides that mommy pooch. It just conceals it, and it makes you feel really good in the dress. And not only that, if you have a big feast, you don't have to worry about your stomach popping out. Like, this is like mommy proof right here, because I love it. You guys know what I mean. For those moms out there that have that issue, I have a mommy pooch. This is just amazing. I really love it. I just think it's so flattering. This is how it looks at the bottom. I got in the size medium, and it is true to size. And then I also got this top right here. So this is like a satin style shirt. I think this is really pretty. It's like a small mock neck, and then in the back you can tie this up and have like a little bow in the back. Really, really nice. This has no stretch, so just keep that in mind. This is like, there's no stretch to it. Maybe very slight, like the tiniest stretch, but little to none. But overall, really love this, and I got this in the size medium, and oh my gosh, I'm really loving this. This is so pretty. So I got this like sleepwear style satin 2-piece set. So here are the pants. I got this, I believe, in a medium. Yeah, so I got this in a medium. Here are the satin pants. I don't think it has pockets. No, it does not have pockets, but it's really nice and flowy. I think satin is really nice for those nights that's really hot. It does keep you cool. It's really pretty. I got in the classic black, so I won't be showing you this because I feel like this is a little bit too sexy like to show you guys, but this is really pretty. For me, I don't think I'll wear this around the house, to be honest with you, though. I'll probably wear it like to me, this is more like lingerie. But it is a set, so it does come together. It's really pretty. It has the adjustable straps. So yeah, it's really nice, but it's like really sexy. So yeah, I really like it though. It's like lace. And then I got this hoodie style, I don't even know what to call it, honestly, but it's really cool. So you put your hands through it, and then it has a hoodie, and it has this mesh right here. This is more like a sporty style, so I just love this. I just think it's really cool, very trendy, you know, so I do like this one. I mean, it's trendy. It's not for everybody. It's trendy, you know. I like it. Oh my gosh, I love this dress so much that the first time I got in the brown, and now I have in the black. This, they say it's like the Kim Kardashian, like SKIMS dupe, their dress. So I love this so much that I got the second one. This one is in the size medium. It's not as much as a bodycon as it is with as the pink one is. It's more flowy, but it's really nice, and I like it. I like to wear this style dress around the house when it's hot, or just like if I'm gonna go to a beach, or I want to just wear like a flowy dress. This is perfect. You could definitely dress this up, dress it down. Just keep in mind, if you want it to be more bodycon, size down. I got it in the medium, and it fits the way I like it to fit. It just depends how you want it to fit. You know what I mean? It does have like the adjustable straps right here, and it's long, guys. Like, it goes all the way down to the floor. This is a maxi, but I really love the way it looks. This is a dress that I can see myself wearing like a lot, because it's one of those dresses that you just throw over, put some sandals on, put your bag on, you're ready to go. So this, like I said, I have 2 of them now, and I absolutely love it. And then last but not least, I also got this sheer top right here. So this I got in a size medium, and I've been wanting a sheer black top like this for a while. I just think this is super nice. You can have it as a throwover or as a shirt, but just make sure you put like a black camisole underneath. I really love this. I just think it's really pretty. So looks like this. Like I said, it is see-through, so it's like mesh. It's see-through all around. It does have like the collar. You can pull these up if you want. So if you don't want them long, you can cuff them up. And this does come in multiple colors. This has no stretch, but it does fit me perfectly. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.